Plant FAQs. Begonia goegoensis. Begonia goegoensis, a charming rarity for plant enthusiasts. Hi, Ferbu here. Today, I want to delve into the fascinating world of the Begonia goegoensis, a captivating plant that deserves a special spot in any collection. This begonia species boasts a unique charm, but there's more to it than meets the eye. So, buckle up as we explore its characteristics, care requirements, and how it stacks up against other begonias. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia goegoensis? The Begonia goegoensis, also known as the Fire King begonia, is a captivating species native to the island of Sumatra, Indonesia. It belongs to the Begoniaceae family, known for its stunning variety of flowering plants. This particular begonia is a rhizomatous type, meaning it grows from thick, underground stems called rhizomes. In its natural habitat, it thrives as an epiphyte, clinging to rocks, logs, and branches in the lush Indonesian rainforests. Begonia goegoensis. Key characteristics. The Begonia goegoensis boasts several captivating features. Foliage. The most striking aspect is its mesmerizing leaves. These are typically large and ovate, with a rich, medium green base. What truly sets them apart is the web-like pattern of pale green veins that run across the surface, resembling a spiderweb. The edges are also adorned with a subtle fringe of fine hairs. Growth habit. Unlike some flowering begonias, the Begonia goegoensis is primarily prized for its foliage. While it may produce small, inconspicuous flowers, the true star of the show is its lush, textured leaves. Size. This begonia is a moderate grower, reaching heights of around 12 to 18 inches at maturity. Its compact size makes it ideal for windowsills or terrariums. How to care for Begonia goegoensis. The Begonia goegoensis is a surprisingly adaptable plant, making it a good choice for both novice and experienced plant parents. Here's a quick rundown on its care needs. Light. This begonia prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Water. Maintain consistent moisture in the soil, but avoid overwatering. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Humidity. The Begonia goegoensis thrives in moderate to high humidity. If your home environment is dry, consider using a humidifier or placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is crucial. Opt for a blend specifically formulated for houseplants or begonias. Temperature. This begonia prefers warm temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature fluctuations. Fertilizer. During the active growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied every few weeks. Withhold fertilizer during the winter months. Begonia goegoensis versus other begonias, finding your perfect match. The world of begonias is incredibly diverse, so you might be wondering how the Begonia goegoensis compares to its cousins. Here's a quick comparison with two popular begonias. Begonia rex. Both the Begonia goegoensis and Begonia rex begonia, are known for their stunning foliage. However, the Begonia rex boasts a wider variety of leaf shapes, patterns, and colors. The Begonia rex also requires slightly higher humidity levels. Begonia masoniana. The Begonia masoniana, also known as the iron cross begonia, shares the rhizomatous growth habit with the Begonia goegoensis. However, the Begonia masoniana has more prominent, metallic-looking veins on its leaves and tends to grow taller. Ultimately, the best begonia for you depends on your personal preferences and the growing conditions you can provide. Bringing home the Begonia goegoensis. Where to find it? Due to its relative rarity, the Begonia goegoensis might not be readily available at your local garden center. However, you can try searching online retailers specializing in unique and exotic plants. Be sure to purchase your Begonia goegoensis from a reputable source that prioritizes healthy and well-established plants. Conclusion. The allure of the Begonia goegoensis. With its captivating foliage and adaptability, the Begonia goegoensis is a true gem for plant enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your indoor jungle journey, this unique begonia offers a touch of elegance and intrigue to your space. So, Why not add a touch of the Indonesian rainforest to your home with the captivating Begonia goegoensis?